Guess what time it is? It's right. It's Madam Glam time. So, y'all, I'm excited about this. Of course, Madam Glam is always vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, 21 formula-free, and HEMA-free. And, of course, the box is recyclable. Now, my box is a little bit damaged, but that was from the mail and not from Madam Glam. So, let's check out these gorgeous, gorgeous polishes. I know you're absolutely going to fall in love. Here we go. Nope. Here we go. There they are. Woohoo! Beautiful. I cannot wait to get into these and check these out. How about you? So, the Harvest Hues Collection is a collection of 8 soak-off gels, and it will be available on Madam Glam's website come November 4th, which I think is today, maybe. I can't remember. Anyway, if you're a VIP member, you could get these a little earlier. So, y'all, the VIP membership is only $29, so definitely a great way to go. And if you don't use all of your credits during a month, you can let them roll over, so it's like having money in the bank, and then you can spend that money whenever you find something that you want. But like I said, it's money in the bank. But I also do have a discount code for you. It will be in my description box to help you save some coins if you don't want to go the VIP membership. If you decide to use the discount code and forego the VIP membership, all you do at checkout is click pay as you go, and then add that discount code in there. And y'all, there are plenty of discount codes floating around YouTube, so if you don't use mine, use somebody's if you're not a VIP member. So, all that being said, let's dive into this Harvest Hues collection. With the crisp November air comes a sense of reflection and celebration, and each color in this collection embodies the rich, comforting tones of the harvest season. Yes, these are all absolutely gorgeous. This fall, we're celebrating the beauty of the season with the Harvest Hues collection. Whether you're gathering for a feast, savoring the crisp November air, these 8 new soak-off gels will make your nails stand out in every setting. Each shade is thoughtfully formulated to provide rich pigmentation that applies seamlessly for a flawless, even coverage, complete with stunning manicure with our advanced no-wipe top coat engineered to amplify your nails' shine while leaving no sticky residue behind. Yes, hence why they call it a no-wipe top coat. Embrace the beauty of the season with a polished, enduring finish that delivers salon-quality elegance and nourishes your nails with every delightful application. So yes, beautiful thought went into creating this collection. I will say that these polishes are so smooth and so creamy. I mean, it was just amazing. I wasn't even trying to put on an even coat, and it was just leveling out beautifully. I will say that all of these colors are beautifully opaque and require only one coat, and I actually only did one coat. Now, if you've watched me for a while, you know I usually do a swatch stick that shows 1 coat, 2 coats, and 3 coats. I absolutely did not do that with this one because they only needed 1 coat, period. I also put the no-wipe top coat on, but these colors are so stunning for fall, and fall just makes me think of matte for some reason. So on the back of all these swatch sticks, I did a matte so that you could see what they look like, both shiny and matte. So that's exciting. But of course, most of you know I'm a sucker for matte nails. So yeah, let's go. We'll just go with that. Anyway, I'm going to let you enjoy these beautiful colors and this swatching. And I have to come up with a nail design for these, which I have not yet, but I will soon. they're just so stunning, I really can't decide what to do with them. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and pop some music on and let you watch the rest of this video, this short video. And I hope you enjoy. Let me know what you think about these colors. Drop me a little message. Maybe leave me some fall leaves. Let me know you got this far. Anyway, best of wishes to each and every one of you, and sending all the love and hugs that you can stand. And I hope you have a fabulous, fabulous day. Don't forget to pick up this collection, because if you don't, you're going to regret it later, I'm sure. Oh, and one more thing. Drop me a comment. Let me know which one of these is your favorite. And do you like them shiny or matte better? Okay, I'll shut up now. I'm out.